You're right guys, welcome back, and a follow-up to the video regarding the Samsung monitor. Samsung took it away to be repaired. They've sent it back, and let's check and see whether they've made the fixes. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, so we have it out the box, and let's see what it says. It says the repair work has been completed on your well, that's the model number of the screen, which has been repaired and thoroughly tested by our technicians. The following parts were replaced: TFT panel, so they've gone and replaced the whole panel, done the required tests, and obviously they've gone through quality control and sent it back. So as you can see, they have fitted a new screen, and they've got obviously the protector on the screen. Let's turn it over, and what do you know, they've even left the stickers. I never took these off, so that's actually pretty good. I wasn't expecting them to leave them on, but they did. It looks all good. No marks, no dents, exactly how I sent it. So yeah, let's get it plugged in, connected to the stand, and let's check the screen plugged in. Alright, let's get this turned on. It's all fitted back together. I'll take the screen protector off in a second. Let's turn it on. Okay, and there we go. Great job. The line has gone. Let's see if I can focus. Let's take this off. If we can take it off, maybe take it off on this side. We have his bit, and there you go. Great job by Samsung getting it repaired. Shouldn't always take it back to the retailer. The retailer is not responsible after 30 days. You do need to follow the warranty information, and thankfully Samsung did a great job. Alright, and there we go. In terms of the monitor itself, I would say definitely get one if you can get your hands on one. There are more up-to-date, newer models, but you can't go wrong, and it does go vertical, so it is a lovely monitor. So right, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, just stepping in. I thought let me get some work done, and then I spoke too soon and noticed that right there, right in the corner of the screen, brand new TFT monitor, tested, quality control by Samsung repair agents, and yeah, it's pretty disappointing to see that right there. So I'll be contacting them, get an RMA, and take it back to the retailer with the RMA. Disappointing. Right at the end of a good experience. Alright then. Until then.